flip-flops.
You're gonna do what with your flip-flops? I'll fix it. I'll fix it.
Can we flip this flip? Can I just scissors?
Do what?
This scissors on me.
Scissors?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll do that. Turn over and put your face up here.
Okay, I will.
Yes. Hey. That was a good breath. Good job. Hey, put your face there. There it comes. Scissors on you. That's what you're doing.
Yeah.
Get your face in there. Put your face in there for another second. Can you take a deep breath? Good job. One more. Put your face in there. Put your face in there. Face in there. One more spot. Ready?
Yeah.
Another deep breath. All right, all done.
Hey.
Okay, you gonna hop off?
My mama's in again.
Sherry, that hurt.